After hearing the news in the past few days about cabinet reshuffle and all, you might be one of the person who looks happy.
Well, I think these rumors have been going on for over a year.
Yeah.
And so, as far as I'm concerned, I've been hearing, and I've not been told anything by the chief minister, nor have I been told by anybody. Should be told to me by the chief minister, but he has not told me anything. I've even spoken to him this evening regarding a particular issue. Didn't mention anything to me. So here I am.
No, but the rumors are very strong this time. ऐकू येत हा की तू cabinet reshuffle तुझ्या नाव असा.
No. Fact is, who should be informed? Me, the chief minister.
Okay.
I've told you I've spoken to him maybe about an hour ago. I spoke to him regarding Boring Bridge, to be more precise.
Okay.
And he did not mention anything to me. If there was something, he would have told me. He hasn't told me anything. So what am I supposed to answer you?
No, but are you waiting for a call?
No, you tell me what. I go to Kabul or Rajbhavan and tell the governor, swear me in as a minister. It doesn't happen like that.
अशें आयकलां because Delhisan central leadershipन सांगला बाबा एका मंत्रीक देव म्हणून you step down to make way for you.
No, nobody has told me.
Huh?
Believe me, nobody has told me. I've heard this, but I've heard it primarily
You heard it
from the press.
from the press?
Yes.
Again from the press only?
Yes, I'm again repeating, from the press.
Not from your party,
No,
not from your government and all.
No, nobody from the party.
But whatever happens, कितें जालें समज येयलें जाल्यार is Alex ready
For what?
to take over?
If I'm called, yes, I will think. Why not? Why not?
Because I ज्या भाशेन situation जाला whether it is paper, digital or electronic, everybody
So
is
many
saying.
things come in the newspaper. So many things come in digital. Is it to be taken as
You
God?
still deny बाबा अशें कांय चलना म्हणून.
I'm telling you, nobody has told me anything.
Nobody, so you are just waiting, somebody saying, Baba, yo, ready राव.
Nobody has even told me that.
तें सांगना.
Nobody has told
So
me.
you are waiting for it.
Well, if tomorrow if the chief minister phones and tells me, yes, why not?
Okay. But you are not sure, Baba, हें चलता. फकत आयकलां तें वाऱ्यार चलता.
I've heard rumors.
These are not confirmed.
I've said rumors.
Rumors. Still you are पयलींच्या भाशेन देखून अजूनही तू rumorच म्हणटा.
But you tell me, have you not been hearing this in the past?
Yeah.
You
Correct.
have, no?
हांवें कितलेच फावटी चाललाय तुका.
You also have also asked me. I've even suggested at one point of time you become the chief minister.
तू तेंच म्हणटा. आतां तू मिनिस्टर जावपाचो आहा. तू आतां हांव चीफ मिनिस्टर.
See, I believe if I'm becoming a minister, it will be the chief minister who informs me. He has not informed me. I told you, I've even spoken to him about an hour and a half ago regarding Boring Bridge. Even then he did not mention.
But Alex, don't you think so, sir? की हे खूप टाइम जालो rumors चलत आसा. It has to be बाबा ह्या केन्ना आयज नाल्यार फाल्यां जावंकूच जाय म्हणून.
See, when I joined the party, I was not promised anything. The only thing promised to me was
Development.
that they would develop my constituency. The chief minister has stood by his commitment. For example, recently he has even initiated the work of underground cabling in the villages of Majoda, Uttorda, Kalata and Betalbati. So commitments made are being fulfilled. But regarding ministership, there was no demand on my part. There was no commitment given by him. And that's where it stands.
Then if there was no demand over this, then there have been time and again saying, yeah, 8 जाणांतले बाबा 2 जाण कोण मंत्री वो तू पहिला नंबर कित्याक खातर. You are in first in line. That is everywhere, sir. तू फकत मिडियाचेरच घालता.
I'm telling you, nobody has told me. I'm telling you, all these rumors I've heard. Not that I've not heard these rumors.
अजूनही rumorच आता.
I'm still repeating the word rumor.
So अजूनही रेडी पण तू रेडी हा राजभवनान वचपाक.
Well, if they call me, I will. Yes, why not? Would you not? But I have not been told anything.
But Alex